1996 Chevy 1500 V6. Still got the aftermarket catalytic converter right there. Then 2 1/4 all the way back into 3-inch to 2 1/4 tailpipe, Y pipe, and then out the sides with 3.5 inch by 18 tips. Right there. There's the Y pipe. Right there. And right there. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Much better.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that.